Hello Moto! This is AI Digital. Today we are here with a brand new topic about Moto RAZR 40 Ultra. Motorola is launching an amazing new foldable phone on June 1st with 12 megapixel rear camera and 32 megapixel selfie camera. About storage, it has 250 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. Very easy to use, fastly and convenient. With 3640 mAh battery. With processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1. RAZR 40 will be the most affordable foldable phone which will shake the competitors' market. With a sleek, slim, elegant design, it is an amazing phone. Beautiful, elegant screen outside is a really creative idea of this phone, and you can use it from the outside. All this information is leaked out on social media. Stay tuned for the official launching of this elegant, beautiful and smart model of Motorola. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.